Many people believe cracking joints causes arthritis, but scientific studies show it merely releases gas bubbles and causes temporary relief. The sound comes from tendons snapping over bones or joint cavities closing, not from bone damage or wear. Long-term research indicates arthritis is linked to aging, genetics, weight, and injury, while cracking is neurologically harmless. To reduce joint discomfort, experts recommend regular activity, proper stretching, and addressing pain with evidence-based medical advice. Crucially, trusting scientific consensus and avoiding sensational claims helps viewers distinguish myth from fact in everyday health mysteries.